So what is it like to attend a Japanese wedding? Japanese weddings fall into two categories, the traditional Shinto and the Western style. Let me share more about the Western style since I have witnessed this kind of wedding several times. Here are some facts about the Western style Japanese wedding. 1. Only the invited guests can attend. It is very common for the bride and the groom to only invite the person who is acquainted to them. So, if the invitation is only for you, you shouldn't bring your family along with you. 2. The wedding ceremony and the reception are usually held in the same hotel. Contemporary wedding hotels in Japan usually have their own wedding chapel and sophisticated banquet halls for this kind of event. 3. The bride changes her dress twice or 3 times. This is called oiro naoshi and is the most anticipated part. 4. Each guest receives a gift set from the married couple as their way of saying thank you for attending their wedding. These tokens are usually found under the tables in the reception hall. If you happen to be invited to a Japanese wedding in the future, don't miss the chance. It is a very exciting experience you'll always cherish.